Hey everybody, Amberly Olsen here for Herb 304 Module 9. Obviously I chose to do the video lecture, and I'm going to speak with you a little bit about Uncaria tomentosa, which is commonly known as cat's claw. The cat's claw is native to the Amazon rainforest and is also found in parts of South America, Central America, and is a member of the Rubiaceae family. Peterson's text actually dates the use of cat's claw all the way back to the Incans, and they used it primarily for things such as an anti-inflammatory. They also used it for arthritis, to help with fevers. They used it for dysentery and also as a contraceptive herb, so quite a lot of uses for way back then. The name is derived from the appearance of the hook-like thorns that were on the woodsy vine, and the parts that are used are the leaves, the root bark, the stems, and the stem bark as well. So a really large portion of this plant is used, which is fantastic. More modern uses from the ones that I just mentioned before are for disorders like Crohn's, colitis, gastroenteritis, diverticulitis. All of those really serious GI ailments can be used for Crohn's. Additionally, it's used for both herpes zoster and herpes simplex. Something that I thought was really cool that was in our textbook is there's current research going on for HIV and lupus, and how cat's claw can help with those two diseases. So that's pretty amazing stuff right there. With two chemotypes, cat's claw is really, really abundant in alkaloids, which I'm guessing are, what make it so wonderfully potent. And it is anti-cancer, antiviral, anti-hypertensive, antioxidant. It also stimulates the immune system. I looked outside of our text a little bit, and I found two abstract studies that I thought were pretty cool. The first one was done by a gentleman named Sandoval with his cohorts, and this one evaluated cat's claw for its role in cytoprotection or cell preservation, and how the herb can help eliminate free radicals from the cells, thusly from the body. The other abstract that I came across, and these were both on PubMed, was from a gentleman named Kaiser and from his peers. And this one was concluding that cat's claw has very strong effects against both malignant and non-malignant human cells. So that could be absolutely amazing too if that really turns into something. I'll link both of those in my summary from the video, and unfortunately I wish I had more information on that, but obviously as we've all learned with an abstract, you only get so much information when you don't have access to the full study. So sorry I don't have more on that for you. Dosage of cat's claw, if you're going to be taking it encapsulated 350 to 500 milligrams once or twice a day. Same with the tincture, 1 to 2 milliliters 1 to 2 times a day. If you're going to use it as a decoction, you'll be using the root bark, and you're going to want to use a full gram boiled for about 15 minutes, and then you'll put that boiled in 250 milliliters of water, divide that up and use that 1 to 3 times a day. Very little adverse effects known with cat's claw, primarily headache and fever, and there has been some reports of vomiting. Something very important that we all need to remember is that it can interact with immunosuppressive therapy. So if we ever have any clients that are undergoing cancer treatment or treatment for their autoimmune disorders, that we need to steer them away from the use of cat's claw, because it can greatly interfere with that. And really the same for any pharmaceutical drugs. It can increase the cell metabolism. So again, could cause some damage there. Need to be a very knowledgeable herbalist, holistic health practitioner on cat's claw if you're going to recommend it for somebody that is taking pharmaceutical medication. That's pretty much all I have. Just one thing I wanted to say, I was able to look and pull some information out of the ABC Clinical Guide, and I just wanted to hold this up because I know we have this on our website that we're able to use in school, but I just wanted to really emphasize, if you're able to pick up a copy of this book, because it's even so much more comprehensive than the access that we have through school. There's 10 pages of cat's claw in here, and because I'm already over my 5 minutes, I can't tell you anything more other than you can find a used copy on Amazon for like 10 bucks, and it is very well worth it. So anyways, that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day and learn something a little extra about cat's claw. Thank you.